students made their way to school today in Cobb County for the face-to-face instruction, and Channel 2 anchor Wendy looked at the numbers now trending down in Georgia.
We covered this reentry on Channel 2 Action News this morning. It includes pre-K through 5th grade and special education students. By the numbers, our data analyst partners at IPC Global say Cobb County is ready.
Great job for everyone in the state that are doing their part to bring the number of cases down.
Mark Meersman with Alpharetta-based IPC Global has tracked COVID-19 data since the start of the pandemic. Georgia's 7-day rolling average of new cases is trending down, 31.5 cases a day over the last 21 days.
We're trying to get to 1,051 or below per day. We're just above that at 1,177.
Meersman is hopeful the state will reach its median in a matter of days and see it continue to decrease. He sees it possible, with Cobb County trending down over the past 21 days below the median in new cases at 66 per day, and also well below the median in COVID-related deaths.
Day over day, they may have no deaths in the county.
Despite the numbers, some parents we spoke with still feel anxious about sending their children to school.
The anxiety of sending him back to school has me a little on edge, but at the same time, it's a bit much for me to try to work from home and have him at home.
The safety of our students, staff, and families remains at the forefront throughout this entire process.
Cobb County Schools put this informational video on YouTube for families, as well as the option to go in or continue with virtual learning. Monday morning, all elementary school and special education students were welcomed back for face-to-face instruction. Students and staff will be social distanced and wear masks. Fulton County is below the 25th percentile in new deaths related to COVID-19 and just under the median in new cases. Data like that allows the Fulton County School District to offer another phase of face-to-face learning today. In the newsroom, Wendy, Channel 2 Action News.